Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Welcome back to Cast Iron Wednesday. I had actually a viewer request to do a bacon mushroom cheddar melt burger, but man, I just can't shake the I was thinking about the cheese sauce. It made me hungry for mac and cheese, and I just been jonesing mac and cheese for a while. So that's what I'm gonna make, because you know, why not? So I'm using some supportive cookware. So, get some macaroni, get some ground beef. Yep, still smells okay. Alright, got some bacon here. Of course, I'm going to be making the mac and cheese from scratch. So about 2 tablespoons of butter. Mushrooms as well. There, I threw the mushrooms right into the ground beef. Kind of just waiting for my butter to melt, which it just about is. I'll go ahead and throw in flour. Okay. And then I'm going to throw in my milk. Just gotta check my macaroni. It just basically means I carefully take one out without burning myself. It's not good. Go ahead and arrange this. Finally, it's starting to thick up. And my phone's ringing. Alright, dang. It's stuck talking to the bank, but I had a hard time believing it was them. So, anyway. mix that into my mac. Alright. Alrighty. Stir this beefy goodness into my mac and cheese. Oh, can you see that? Yeah, there we go. Alright. Let's get a bowl out. I got some for leftovers too. Sweet. Alright, one last ingredient besides pepper. So I guess two more besides black pepper. Get a little bit of Parmigiano Reggiano, which I just bought today. Keep the wrapper in there. Alright. Very interrupted today because I think I was getting a spam call from my credit card telling me, oh, you got false charges. Damn spammers. Anyway, let's get tasting. Man, that's good. The pasta cheesiness. And the bacon. Delicious. It's hard to go back to boxed mac and cheese when you get stuff like this. Easy to make too. Anyway, thanks for watching. Playlist for Cast Iron Wednesday will be in the description and somewhere up here on the screen. Catch you in the next one. Have a good week. And I'll see you in the next one.